The book, The Time Travelers, is for people who like Harry Potter or action adventures. It is written by Linda Buckley Archer. Peter is a take charge of matter kind of kid. Peter is the assistant leader, basically. He helps them escape when the Cracker gang has them hostage. And he and his dad don't have a very good friendship. Kate is a must-know and be-planned type of girl. Kate's the leader and has control of the problem when they are kidnapped. The Time Man is a nickname for an unknown name because only his family and him know his real name. He also has the nickname Master Blueskin and is also a most wanted because he is a murderer. This book takes place in the modern London and the old London. The beginning is sad because Peter, an 11-year-old boy, is getting in a fight with his dad with words. And the dad leaves for America for a job, business. And Peter has to go into the country to stay with some people who are friends with his dad's. Peter meets a girl named Kate whose dad is a scientist and has an unfinished time machine. Peter and Kate accidentally trip into the machine and get sent back to the 1763s. And the machine is stolen. While in 1763, Peter and Kate get kidnapped by the Cracker gang, made up by the Cracker brothers, Joe, Joseph, and Sammy and John. They also have Ned Porter, another bad guy, and is with them and is sadly shot by Joseph and is killed. Soon, Peter and Kate must make a deal with the Time Man, a wanted man, to see who will win the race yet to come, to see who will win the time machine. That's all I'm going to tell you about. So read the books and have a lot of fun reading. It's a really good book and is a full trilogy. And if you like scary and funny, quirky, weird books, this is just the book for you.